And you know what? You don't waste this. You know what we did with this? What do you think we would feed it to?
Probably chickens.
Yeah, that's right. Off a day. My name's Steve. You can call me Uncle Steve. What's your name?
Nolan.
Do you know what we're gonna do today?
Make coconut milk.
That's right, we're gonna make lechen. And for that, we're gonna need coconut, water, a cloth, a kumzu, and some containers. Well, look at this. We both have our kumzu. You have yours, I have mine. And we're gonna start kumzuing. But before we do, you have to be careful because look at this. It's very sharp. So if you ever kumzu, make sure somebody's with you, like an adult or your auntie or somebody, okay? Okay. Now that you're safe, you get your bowl. Okay, you get your bowl and then you put it right under where you're gonna kumzu. Then you're gonna get your niyok. Go ahead and get yours. So you cup it, good. You're just gonna grind. It's kind of a circular motion. You're kind of pushing against the blade, then pushing down, and you're just turning as you go. You ready to try? Okay, so, okay, so good, all right. Good job. How you doing over there?
Not good.
Okay, I'm gonna help you, okay? Just bite the edge, let the blade bite the edge. Okay, so try move that more. See how you get more meat? So try it. Good, oh my gosh. So when you keep grinding, when you get to the shell, then you stop. Then you just move on to the rest of the white meat. You know, the more you do it, you're gonna get better and better. All right, good job, Nolan. Man, look at that. Awesome. And now we're gonna get ready to make the milk. So all we need is water. And so can you help me pour this in? We're just gonna pour this water in. And put it all in. All right. So now that we poured the water, we're gonna let it sit for about 5-10 minutes and soak. Okay?
Ooh,
Yeah. And then I'll show you the next step. We've let it soak for about 5-7 minutes. And we washed our hands, both of us. That's most important. Always working with food, you gotta wash your hands. So we just get in here and we just massage it. We literally just squeeze it. Just squeezing it, right? Get in there. It's clean. There's no worms and bugs. It's just pure coconut. All right, so we're just gonna keep on. Good job. I know, right? Look at that.
Squeeze it on you.
Yeah, it's already turning into coconut milk. So now we have a brand new clean cloth. Some people use the actual coconut husk and wrap the coconut, the grated coconut, into the coconut husk and use that. But for today, we're using this. It's like a cheesecloth.
Cheese.
So,
Cheese?
And you literally just go in there and just grab as much as you want.
And then just squeeze all of it in.
And then I'm gonna squeeze it into this. Just like that. Yeah, maybe not too much for you. There you go. Oh, good job, man. Look at you. So see, now we're squeezing just pure coconut milk into the bowl. Okay? Okay, don't open it yet. We'll use this, then you just discard it. Just like that. You know, over time you get better at this. Whether you want to put more water or less water to make it creamier, it all depends. All right, well look at that. We made coconut milk. How'd you like that?
That was really fun.
It was fun? But what did you think about getting your hands in there and mixing them?
Oh yeah, that
was different,
kind of
right?
reminds you of like when you're making rice for the
That's right.
Like
That's right. Cleaning the rice.
You do the same thing,
Yeah.
but
then you pour it out. You pour the water out.
out.
This one, we're keeping it. That's right. I could tell you're experienced.
So when you're making the coconut milk,
Yeah.
could you also add the coconut water?
You could do that too. Why not? That's a great idea.
More coconutty.
It'll be more coconut. It'll definitely be much more pure coconut. So Nolan, why do you think it's important for us to learn what we did?
So like if coconut's the only thing you have to eat and some like other ingredients you can make,
Yeah.
like Kelaquin,
Yep.
Kadu,
Yes.
or other stuff.
Do you remember the name? What do we call this in CHamoru?
Lechen.
Very good. Lechen. Leche is milk, and niyok is what?
Coconut.
That's right.
Thank you for teaching me how to make lechen niyok. It was really fun.
Oh man, you're welcome. Thank you so much for helping me. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. You did a great job. All right.
Subscribe below to watch more episodes of Taiguini.